Among the plants, we find a group of wild haggises, an unusual sight in rural Norfolk. A nocturnal species, they spend the daylight hours sleeping in family groups. However, there will always be one member of the group on guard and alert to any potential predator attack. And there it is, the lone sentry haggis, ever watchful, alert to any encroachment to the rest of the haggis family. We will leave them in peace, as a haggis attack can be vicious and unsuitable for family viewing. The wonders of wildlife are endless and fascinating. We have stumbled upon the dominant male and female of the haggis group, and at this point the film crew must retreat, as a sudden high-pitched alarm squeak from either of them will trigger a very unpleasant attack from the haggis horde.
Come on, move now. Quick, get out of here.
Quick, move, ow, get out of here, come on.
No! Ah! No!